How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Messenger if it is not working properly. Now, there are several causes on why your Messenger won't work properly, and number one is you are not connected to your internet. Now, to do this, just simply go to Settings and click on the Wi-Fi option and make sure that you are connected to your internet. Or if you don't have any internet, just contact your internet service provider and report to them that you are experiencing some difficulties connecting to the internet. And number two is to clear cache and app data. Now to do that, just go to Settings again and scroll down and go to Apps and click on Apps again and search on Messenger. Or you can just simply scroll down until you see the Messenger application right here. Now to do that is to click on Force Stop right here. Just click on that and go to Storage and click on Clear Data. Click on OK. And your data and your cache are now clear. Now, if that doesn't work, all you need to do is to check your Messenger if it is updated to the latest version. So just search on Messenger on your App Store or on your Play Store and make sure that your Messenger application is updated to the latest version. So that's about it, you guys, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!